Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll see a quick review about AWS. So in this video I'm going to show you just what are all the consoles and what are all the options you'll be having in AWS. So keep watching. First of all, I'll open AWS console. For this you have to enter console.aws.amazon login. You'll find this. Just click here and just log in into your console. If you have not logged in into your console, please press sign up and you'll find step-by-step guidelines to sign in. Once you enter this, you will find all the details like this. So here the major thing, as we know why cloud is used. Cloud is used as virtual system for our purpose and for our usage. So for that we'll be using cloud. Rather having more configuration and specification for one particular task, we'll be using cloud to have that particular task without ensuring a actual system with us by spending more money. So here if you see, this is the region. Actually there are majorly two concepts. First is geographical location. Next thing is region. Next thing is zone. These three is the very major topic in AWS because this is very important to understand. So here geographical location is nothing but, for example, let us take India. In India we have two regions, that is one is Mumbai and Hyderabad. That means in India we have majorly two places where servers are located of AWS. One is Mumbai and second one is Hyderabad. In Mumbai there are majorly three zones, that is zone A, zone B, zone C. So apparently what I'm trying to say is, this geographical location is India, this region is Mumbai and Hyderabad, and these zones are, for example, if Mumbai, if you take one particular city or area, one zone A will be present over there. From 100 kilometers to that city, zone B will be present, because if any natural calamity or any disaster happen to zone A server, there should be zone B server for managing all the data from server A. So this is why this topic is very important. So if you want to see this, you can also see here in AWS our regions. Excuse me, just a second. Here if you come down, you'll find AWS Global Infrastructure, where you can explore regional services. So here you can see where are all the data centers are available. So you can find over here, for example, if I take Asia Pacific, we have in Asia Pacific we have data center is Mumbai and one more is Hyderabad. So availability zone is 3, which is launched in 2022, and also in Mumbai availability zone is 3, which is launched 2016. So as I said, these availability zones are like 100 kilometers, almost difference from one to another. So this is very basic. So while for example I'm inside Karnataka or Bangalore, if I want to create a server, I would rather choose this Asia Pacific availability zone. I'll come to that. If you get into your console, you can see your availability zone. So right now if I say my location is in Bangalore, if I choose Mumbai, my cloud usage will be very fast. If I choose Singapore, Sydney or Tokyo, it will be little latency more oriented. If I choose London and all, it will be more latency oriented, because as we know, the internet where we connect is very important in these cloud regions. So this is it about the basic geographical locations. Coming to AWS, you can go here for check all your services. But rather this, I'll go and take you over this page for viewing the detailed information of AWS. So here you can see pricing, resource, you'll find all the documentations of details. Right now I'm going with AWS free tiers. Here if you come, you'll find multiple options. Just know these basic things to before understanding a high level cloud infrastructure on AWS. You'll have Amazon EC2. EC2 is nothing but Elastic Compute Cloud, where this is our virtual machine what we will be going to create our computer system. And Amazon S3 is a storage system where we use to store all our data, and this RDS is relational database services, which will be also we'll using for storing data and well as querying. And AWS Transform, Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon Bedrock, Agent Core. You have lot more uh, features in AWS. You can check over there. Right now, as basic, I'm going to show you the Amazon EC2. Here in Amazon EC2, as I said, it is Elastic Compute Cloud, which offers broadest and deepest compute platform with over 10,000 instances and choices. The instances are nothing but the systems or what you are using the as computer or laptop. Okay, so these are all the benefits of EC2. Just if you want to learn something, please go through the documentations everywhere, which will help you a lot. For example, if I want to see on Kubernetes, I'll just go with Kubernetes documentation. If I just enter, they'll be having a complete details on every single concept over here. So you'll be knowing how to install or how to create, what are all the tasks to be performed, what is it need, and what are all the usage. So just go through this. See, for example, if you see the concepts, you can see the overview and cluster architecture, what are containers, workloads, services, and load balancing. You'll be knowing all these details in detail by their own blocks. So check over this. So as I said, these are all the details, and in my further videos I'll be going to show you how to create an EC2 and how to perform DevOps operations, and also how to containerize an applications in cloud. I'll be going through all this, and how to publish your website as private IP, what are all the steps you can do. I'll be showing you in this further video, guys. So this is a very basic video. As you can see, I have just explained like what is basic of your AWS, that is geographical location, region, and zone. This is very important. Please go through this. It doesn't mean you have to take all this in your mind. Just know the things, what are all the things you will be having. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. You can see in my further videos I'll be going through all the DevOps practices. Thank you.